To do this trend, you need CapCut and a Face application. You can download this application from Play or App Store. Now choose your photo with short hair from gallery. If you already have your real long and short hair pic, then you don't have to do this process. Now slide left and click on hairstyle. Now click on long 2 and save your photo. Now after this, click on the link given below in the description. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Now click on Use Template in CapCut. Now click on Use Template and add your 2 photos. Make sure to add the long hair photo first, and then with the short hair. Now click on Preview. Now check your video and export. Now to add audio, go back to New Project and add the video you exported. Now first delete the end part and then add the audio you want to add in it. If you want my audio, you can get from link given in the description. Now check your video and export. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.